Hi, I'm Emma and I'm the owner of Taylor Beauty Room, a nail boutique in Hobsonville. I'm also a student of Monaco Nail Academy. I started my training in October of this year and I'm going to continue my training in 2019. So my goal coming into training was just how to learn to do things properly. So for me, I was sick of not being able to find somewhere to get my nails done that I wanted to go, so I bought all of my own gel polish kit. But at the end of the day, I didn't know the proper practice, so my main goal was coming in to learn the skills and actually do it properly. The most challenging thing for me was traditional polish and doing French manicures. So it is completely unforgiving. It was so hard to work with, so it really takes some skill. I warn you out if you're going into that course, it's pretty tough. The best part was my group and being in that learning environment at Monaco Nail Academy. So it was quite a small group of us, it was 4 of us, but they were awesome ladies. It was such a lovely, open learning environment. We were having so much fun. Each day we came into class and we were chatting and learning so much from all of the educators. And I said to them, I don't really want to go back to work, I just want to stay in this little happy nail bubble. The assessments, my goodness, I was so nervous. So I've only completed my gel polish assessment so far. So that is 1 hand of just a plain colour and 1 hand of French. And my best friend came along, so she was really helpful at calming me down through the whole process and just making sure we stuck to the timings. But I actually passed with a really good result, and I think I put it down to some really good preparation, and I took the advice of the educators going into the assessment. I think I'm going to go with about a 5 before the course, so I was kind of confident. I knew I could kind of do my own nails, definitely not doing clients' nails or anything. I think I'd only done a girlfriend's nails once or twice in my entire life. After training, however, it definitely stepped up a notch, so my confidence went to sort of an 8 or 9 in terms of doing nails. I felt really confident in myself, I felt really confident in my skills. It's changed a little bit since I've now got clients. I think it's quite hard. You have to really believe in yourself and know that your training is good and that you're going to do a good job with all of them. So yeah. Someone that's just about to start, I'd say do it. So I talked to a nail tech that I knew who used to do my nails, and I did a bit of Google research, and Monaco Nail Academy came up in both of those conversations and searches. So I believe it's a really good place. As soon as you start getting into nail training, it sort of snowballs. So I kind of got the idea, I had this conversation. I chose Monaco because it has a really amazing reputation and I really liked the stuff that I was seeing online about it. And then all of a sudden, I have my nail boutique here in my own home. I've got my first couple of clients in my first month of opening, so just do it. So I have opened my own home salon. It is just in the downstairs area of my house, so I've got a little nail desk set up, and I have clients coming in to this space. I've made it really lush and warm and welcoming and beautiful. That's my intent, is to have a really holistic service, I guess. So that's my life post Monaco, is just having clients in, doing amazing nails. I've got to do a lot of glitter and a lot of nail art, which is my favourite kind of stuff. And I'm just looking forward to my business growing and my client base growing. So the word of mouth is slowly getting out there and I'm excited to see what comes of it. Okay, so this is a bit of a hard one. I think they're from Russia, but we're going to put on a picture on the screen so that you can actually see who they are. But I think it's called NoT_premium. And the reason that I really like this, I guess I don't even know if they're a nail artist, but they do really amazing photos of crazy nail art. The thing that I like the most about it is that it's so crazy that it would be super challenging, and I've got a lot of inspiration from there, so I try to challenge myself to do the hardest stuff I can find. And then when it comes to most of my nail clients, I'm like, yeah, I can totally do that. I would recommend Monaco Nail Academy to absolutely anyone that wants to jump into the nail tech world. It is an awesome environment. So I was a little bit apprehensive. I had no idea what I was walking into on day one. But Penny and her team of educators are amazing. The group of people that you meet are amazing. The course is really, really good. So not only is it the course in person and doing things, it's actually the course outside of that. So all of the online training as well, which is so thorough. So I've got this amazing toolkit here at home with me to continue my learning. And then the other thing I found was that there's a Facebook group, everyone's always talking, the educators are always there. There's just so much going on that I feel like I'm in this Monaco learning zone all the time, which I don't think you'd get from a lot of training establishments. Like you'd go in for one day and that'd be it. Whereas I still feel a big part of the Monaco family. So now that I've given you a little bit of an insight into my training and my experience at Monaco, I wanted to show you guys what I've set up here. So we'll take a quick tour of my room and maybe have a look at some of my little nail swatches. Hey, come on in. So welcome to my little beauty space. On my left here you can see my certificate from Monaco Nail Academy, which I proudly display, and I'm going to take you for a tour around the rest of the room. So if we look over this way, we've got a beautiful relaxing space for clients. So that's for if they're just waiting. I've had a few bring your besties in, and that's also where I do pedicures, so they can just put their feet up and relax. And then we move over to my table where I do all of my manicures. Everything is set up there, nice and easy for me, nice and easy, everything is in reach. And we're going to go in for a bit of a closer look at my nail art. So this first one is my Christmas designs, so topic of the moment being December, and then the other ones have been a little bit of internet inspiration, and then using the Monaco nail art videos and practicing some of the techniques and skills that I've learned from there.